Breaking news is coming from Jade Global and Deloitte and Naukri.com. They announced the biggest mass hiring and 2026 बैच 5 बैच 4 3 2 1 सारे एलिजिबल होने वाले हैं. प्लीज वॉच वीडियो टिल एंड, अदरवाइज यू विल गोना मिस वेरी अर्जेंट हायरिंग्स एंड अर्जेंट अपडेट. So please watch this video which I already uploaded. This is also urgent hiring. If you did not watch it yet, go and check out this video. One more thing, there is the warning and there is the mandatory thing I want to tell you. Please watch video till end because we want the shortlisting mail. Definitely we will see because the interview date is announced and many more is there. Just watch video till end. Please do subscribe my channel, like this video. Now walk and drive for fresher is going on. If you see, Jade Global is inviting application from 2026 batch fresher looking to start their career in the technology. Now the thing is BCA, BSc in computer science, BBA, CA is eligible. Only 26 pass out batch is eligible. Now Pune location is there 7th March. Yesterday, tomorrow is the walk and drive. You have to click on this link. And one more thing want to tell you, please share with the student and or anyone who might be interested, and for those students who are in the Pune right now. Now if you see pre-registration from for BCA and BBA, CA, BSc, CSIT, ठीक है. Now walk and drive is going on. One more thing, टाइमिंग बिटवीन 9:30 to 12 PM इज कंपल्सरी. यू हैव टू डू द रिपोर्टिंग 9 AM, ठीक है. मेरे हिसाब से जल्दी जाओगे ज़्यादा बेटर होगा. बट देयर इज द थिंग, यू हैव टू कीप योर सेल्फ विथ रेज्यूमे, अपडेटेड रेज्यूमे, हार्ड कॉपी एंड सॉफ्ट कॉपी with government ID proof like PAN card, Aadhaar card, any one of them, and there will be no phone call made to the registered candidate, ठीक है. You have to just go there and complete the walk and drive. Now scroll down and you can check only 26 batches eligible. One more thing, these batches is eligible. 10th 12th diploma you have to give, current location you have to give and submit it as soon as possible. This is not a normal hiring. This is going to be a big Jade Global mass hiring for 2026 passing only, and this is direct interview hiring. Tomorrow is the interview 9:30 to 12 PM. Don't miss, don't skip this hiring. Please apply for this hiring and update your resume and put whatever you know. There is not written anything, just fresher is eligible, but this is IT role, pure IT role. That's why you have to put ID domain. Now pre-registration is going on. Just hit the apply button as soon as possible. Now Deloitte announced a big mass hiring. This is absolutely for fresher. The thing is there is shortlisting, and for shortlisting you have to put that domain which I want to tell you. Associate Analyst Learning Admin Hyderabad location is there. Associate Analyst role is there. If analyst role is there, then we all know what to put in resume. First, graduate degree is compulsory, means all degrees eligible. BSc, BA, BCom, BBA, BE, BTech. 0 to 1 year of experience means 24, 25, 23 batches eligible. Microsoft Office package applications means Excel, PowerPoint, Word, Outlook. You have to put all these Microsoft Office suite in resume. And if you're having prior experience in training and development domain, मतलब ये मैंडेटरी नहीं है. इफ़ यू हैव यू कैन ईजिली अप्लाई फॉर दिस हायरिंग. हैदराबाद लोकेशन इज देयर. 2 PM to 11 PM इज द टाइमिंग एंड दीज आर योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज. फर्स्ट रिक्वायर्ड स्किल में अगर देखोगे मोस्टली देयर इज रिटन इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स. यू हैव टू पुट दीज डोमेन रेज्यूमे. प्लस एक चीज़ और बताना चाहता हूँ मैं, यहाँ पे जॉब ID तो मिल जाएगी. यू कैन ट्राई टू टेक द रेफरल ऑल्सो. डोंट स्किप, डोंट मिस, just try to take the referral. If you did not get any referral, then अप्लाई विथ अपडेटेड रेज्यूमे, ठीक है. मैनुअली अप्लाई कर लेना, बट प्लीज़ ट्राई टू टेक रेफरल बिकॉज दे विल शेड्यूल योर डायरेक्ट इंटरव्यू इन डिलॉयट इफ़ यू गेट द रेफरल फॉर एसोसिएट एनालिस्ट रोल, ठीक है. तो कितनी जल्दी कर सकते हो तुम, जितनी जल्दी रेफरल ले सकते हो, जितनी जल्दी मिल जाए उस पर डिपेंड करता है तुम्हारा इंटरव्यू. सो अप्लाई इट एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. नाउ बिगेस्ट मास हायरिंग फॉर 2026 बैच मैक्योरिया just announced 2026 apprenticeship program. So this is fixed term junior role, ठीक है. Account and finance background student is eligible, and one direct test opportunity I want to tell you in this video. Please watch video till end. So you can easily apply if you are from 26 batch, and these are the technology, data and operation. These are your opportunity to learn these things, ठीक है. अब इसके अलावा ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है इसमें, तुम एक बार रीड करके अप्लाई कर लेना. Now Naukri.com just announced India largest virtual career fair for students, ठीक है. आई एम नॉट एलिजिबल बट यू आर एलिजिबल, देन यू विल गेट टू सी द दिस बटन एक्टिव. एंड करियर वर्स 11 to 15 मार्च. सो दिस विल हैपनिंग वेरी सून, जो कि बहुत बड़े लेवल पे हो रहा है. एंड द बैचेस 25, 26, 27, 28 इज एलिजिबल एंड 29 इज एलिजिबल ओनली इन UG. And for PG 26, 27 only batches eligible. This is the big mass hiring going on. 27 तक रजिस्ट्रेशन थे. करियर फेयर लाइव होने वाला है एंड गुडीज अनाउंसमेंट यहाँ पे हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे समझने की ज़रूरत है कि यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ देखने मिल रहा है. एंड इफ़ यू हैविंग एनी क्वेरी FAQ यू कैन रीड दिस. सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ जॉब आर अवेलेबल इन करियर पेज। देखो यहाँ पे 25,000 एंट्री लेवल जॉब्स इन अक्रॉस ऑल डोमेन, रोल्स, लोकेशन, स्किल, सैलरी रेंज, मतलब सब कुछ होने वाला है फॉर फ्रेशर एंड फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट्स। सो व्हाई आर यू not applying for this? This is the big mass hiring going on. 25,000 early career job for you is there. Just hit the apply button and complete it, get selected and take the interview. After interview you will get to see the offer letter. Just apply it as soon as possible. See, I am not eligible, that's why here is written you are not eligible. But if you are eligible and you are following this batches criteria, then this button will be work for you and you can easily apply. So what I told you, these are the mass hirings. Please apply it as soon as possible. These are the mass hiring going on Deloitte, Career, Naukri.com and Mercury and Jade Global. These are the mass hirings. Share with everyone who is in the Pune right now. Share with everyone and tell them this that tomorrow is the interview for Jade Global for fresher, and please attend this interview, attend these opportunities, apply for these opportunities and like this video. Do subscribe my channel and please watch these video if you did not watched yet. I already uploaded and currently I continuously uploading each and every hiring for each and every degrees, roles, location, salary package. Even I am giving the update also. So please do hit the subscribe button, like this video. Thanks for watching.